Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the switch user option is missing from the Windows 10 logon screen. If you have multiple users on your Windows computer and you're unable to switch between accounts directly from the logon screen, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Group Policy. Best match should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Computer Configuration, you want to go double click on the Administrative Templates folder. Do the same thing now for the System folder. And then finally, there should be a Log On folder. Just left click on that one time. On the right panel, look for something that says Hide Entry Points for Fast User Switching. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to set this to not configured, how you see it on my screen here. And then if you had to make any changes, again, you want to set it to not configured. Select Apply and OK to save it. Close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.